Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are trying to explore how we can retrieve the dynamic column data. So I will go back to the one Excel file. Let me copy this path before. So anyway, we are using this Excel file. So now when you check this column country name is there, and similarly we have the state name. So right now it is available on the column A1. So might be this change to column C or D, vice versa. We don't know where it will come exactly. So now the thing is, I want to read the specific column names. That's it. Whether it is available B or C, I don't know where it's some. So how we can identify that specific column and how we can read this enter the range. Okay, so just I want it content name should be on the one set of thing, and state names is a one set of things. Just I want to read that set. So I want to finally, if we say how we can read this dynamic columns. Okay, I'm just closing this thing and going back to this canvas. Okay, here we can come here and search. We can for the Excel. So for if you want to do anything activities with Excel, so just drag and drop this open Excel instance. So which is indicating to start this our Excel workbook. And later we can go with this open workbook. So this will helps you open the workbook. And I have already copied the path. So once you paste this, every time go and check this one. If you not check, might be something happen. You just check for it is getting the green color, then it's fine, no issues. Okay, save this. So after this, I need to activate the workbook. So here I'm activating the workbook as sheet one. Okay, let's go and activate that worksheet is there. Here we can, where is this? Activate worksheet. Where is this? Okay, you can take this activate worksheet. So why I'm not typing here means it's a case sensitive. If it is something wrong, then we cannot get these things. So that's why I'm going drag and drop like this. And the sheet name as sheet one. So why I'm using this again, it might be activate some other sheet. We don't know. So that's why just safe side. So just adding that sheet and it will activate that sheet. So once this is done, later I want to get this columns. So where it will starts from where and what is the end. So for that we can get column. Okay, user column, sorry, get user column, user range column is enough. You can just these things, and by default, it will get from where it got ended. Okay, now this is done. So after this, I want to read that column names as well, everything. So I will go here and I will take this get cells. So from this get cells, we can get the data. Okay, and it starts from the A1. That is a normal thing. A1 we know, and okay, save this expression. So once this is done, so it's give this index. So it might be the 2 or 3. So that index we need to convert to the alphabet. So again, go to here. We have this one more activity which we call already in the last session. I told you how we can convert this. So get column name. So get column, convert column index to the name. So you can use this one, convert column index to the name. So just go here and column index. So whatever the column index we are getting from here, now the same thing you can update here. So this is step 4 dot column index. Step 4 dot user range. You can, if you want, you can change this variable, no issues. And every time make sure that check. So sometimes it might be not get properly. So just for a couple of days, practice this one, then you will get. Okay, now I will get this column last used column, and after this that column converted to the column name. Okay, and again I will go here. It starts from the A1. A1 is to plus that is step 5. Okay, step 5 and 1 second. Okay, so this is A. It will come as the A1 B1. So here it will anyway it will come this B. Okay, and here you can just update this one. That's it. Plus 1. So anyway, A1 is to B1 or might be C1, it will come. So whatever the data is there, na, it will store here. Just click on that save expression and I will put, okay, just I will run till here, whether I'm getting this values or not. First, I will check. Also, if it is working, then we can go to the next steps. Okay, just click on that save all. Okay, just click on the test. So forget about the environment variables, those are all not required. So our concept is just read the dynamic data from the Excel file. That's it. So here I not use this close Excel file, close Excel instance, not just I want to check the step 6 whether it is grabbing my data or not. That is the first step which we need to do. If it is done, then we can do some next one small logic for loop we can use and things will sort out. While you are running the configure desktop agent, let me check. Yeah, it's downloading the package and it depends upon the our network speed, everything it's calculated here. And our internal RAM, this and a lot of the things, the stuff is going on backside. Okay, now when I go and check get values, so I will check here get values whether I got this get values or not. Okay, let me check range definition. A1 is to okay, number 6 written values. You can see here. I forget it. So we can see this here written values as country name and column. Sorry, and state names. So I got it. So no issues. So let me kill this instance of this Excel. So here only the thing is you should have the patience and understand how the things are. Okay, now we got these things. So we have this data. So no issues. And now what I want to find, I want to find the state names. Okay, state names. I in the state name I want to declare this A1 like that. I want to declare that. So might be I don't know. It's come B1, C1. We don't know where it is come exactly. Okay, now uh, declare one variable here. Not the variable. I mean variable only, but the name is not variable. Declare string. Let me check the string. Okay, data type string. So I'm declaring one variable, the string. So in this string, I will make the value as a state names. Don't give the any space here. State names, and I will give this as an empty text. So anyway, the data will come and update on the downside. Okay, now this is done. The next step, what I need to use, I need to use this for each. So in that for each only, we will get no those two things. Okay, for each here the I need to give this array. Sorry, I mean a list of anything. So I will give here open this editor. Step 7 dot return values. So there I have this all the values are available. Okay, and midway here state names. Okay, this state name should be this one. Okay, let me update this data. So we need to check that one. No? For that purpose, I'm using. Okay, state name. So just I declare the names as this thing, state names. Or you can create here instead of the state name column. Fine. It might be something good. Okay. Now I will go here and I will check this if condition. Sorry, condition. Just drag and drop this condition. Okay, and here I will check this one. So what I given here, this should be the current member. Okay, and I will go here. Just edit. Step 1 dot state names. 1 second. Let me check. I given the variable value as state name. Okay, it is not change. Sometimes it won't change. Just hit that enter and save this. Then go to there. It will change. So let me check. It got changed. So just remove and go to editor again. Step 1 dot column is equals to current member. Okay, just I will check this current member. So if that is done, then what is this my index it came, I will get this again I need to calculate this index here. So there I will get to know this index is related to the which thing. Okay, now it might be the just go and check. So this is on the number 2. Okay, so number 2 means it basically it's for b again. Okay, again you need to copy this. Okay, and paste it here. Just add this. Okay, now I will got this column name again. Okay, column name is it might be the B1 or C1. I don't know what it will come exactly. It will come. Okay, here what we need to do now. So go inside and change this to index plus 1. Okay, so our index it starts from the 0. So when you go this for looping, so this index I updated here. So every time this index starts from this 0, that's it. Okay, now that is done. And here I want to add one more thing. Okay, now we got to know how many columns are available. So similar way, I need to get the how many car rows are available. So for that, I'm taking this rows again. So because I need to use this dynamic row now, I don't know whether it will come A1 is to A10 or 20 or 30, 70, might be, I don't know. So for that purpose, get, uh, let me okay here, get user range. So just drag and drop this one. Okay, and by default, it will get this user range index. Okay, now this is done. After this, I need to read this activity. I mean, get cells. So just drag and drop this get cells again. And so here, I don't know which it will come. So this should be coming from this system. So column name 11. Just go inside step 11 dot column name. Okay, this give this A or B. Okay, plus 1. Okay, this should be the like how it's come means A1 is to A20, just example, A1 is to. So here we need to give A1 is to, and anyway, we got this column A. So again, copy the same thing plus after this plus again, and we got this final row now. So step 7 dot user row index. Okay, after this everything done, you can just click on the check. Okay, now this is done. So what it will give now, step 11 dot A, which is nothing but as a column A or column B, A1, just assume that A1 is 2. So 1 is not A1, after that you have the semicolon now. So A1 is 2, again here A plus 7, 10, 20, it might be, no, no, we don't know what is the index will come here. Okay, just click on that save expression. Okay, now this is done. Okay, once you read this, again, you can release this Excel instance and close the workbook, close workbook. So just put this here, close workbook and close instance. Now this close instance. Okay, here apart from this, I want to make one point. So as of now, when you go with this Excel activities, whether you go with RPA, any kind of the tool, so it have only some kind of facilities is available. There is no end-to-end Excel automation. So if you want to full-fledged have a full control of this Excel, what type of you're doing now, so mandatory you should learn this VBA or might be the Python. If you have good knowledge some other programming language, you can go ahead, but better most of the companies most of the things are preferred go with this. First step is they will go with the VBA. Why they are going with VBA means it's a free licenses, nothing else, just Microsoft backend code. And second time I mean second thing, they will go with this Python. It also some kind of resource. So these two things they will prefer first thing, and later they so this one I want to mention this. So this is applicable for the all kind of RPA tools who are using either UiPath, Automation Anywhere, whatever it may be, Blue Prism. So it has some kind of limitations are there. So make sure that you should have know that. Okay, just I am running this and click on the test. So when come to this SAP, might be they will add some activities. It might be in future. As of now, we have this very strict and we have this only something. Might be in future they will add data table as well, but not sure. So hope for the best. So here iteration got only for this 0. But here having the some issue, we need to check this one. So what is happen here? So we need to keep this breakpoint here. I will run till here and I will go step into there. So we need to understand what we missed there exactly. So the logic, whatever the logic here, it's done. No issues with that logic. Only the thing is, it might be missing something. Okay. Let me check this first thing. Okay, it has this two country name and thing. So I will just go step into this is the one. Okay, just go. It came here. It went. Okay, it looked for the only the one time. Even it's not go inside. Okay, 8 returned values. So returned values. I have these two things, 0 and 1, but it's looping only for the one. Okay, let me check what is the issue here occurred. I have checked here. There is a one small thing which we missed out. So let's go there, and where is this get cells? 1 second, I will show you. Okay, I will run till here and I will show what I did. Only the thing is I changed here returned values of 0. So basically the list is storing on the 0 set. Yeah, I mean, list starts from the 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So my first list starts from the 0. So that's why I give this value here. And I will just click on this hit run button. And here we can see this. I will show these things. Let me click on this test. Okay, here if directly it won't come sometimes. So we need to check that how the flow is working. We need to check and we need to get it. Okay, now when I go this get cells, so I can see the tester. This is a list available on the 0. So when you check its returned value, it's a list having the one element under this 0. So if you have two or might be the one, you can just update this one and so on, it will work. So loop in loop. So as of now, I know this value directly, so I will go with this of 0. Okay, now it will come inside. Okay, so first thing it not match this condition. Okay, now it will move to the second thing. So the condition has matched. So when you check the condition, you can go here, you can check this. So the condition has matched. Okay, now it will come and get this index. So what is the last index here? So B. B, this is the column B. So right now I give this value for the country, sorry, country, not column names. Okay, I will what I given here. I will check here. So it's given state names. So the state names is available on the column B. So that's why it go to the column B. And now we just hit enter, and we can see what the values are read here. So if you check here, B1 is to B6. So basically it starts from the B1 and end with the B6. The same data it is got read, and it has a list. Okay, list has the 0 state name, 1, 2, 3, and so on. We got this data. Okay, now it will stop this automation. And so this is a way how we can read this data like this. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.